Are your students prepared for an AI-powered future? SAGIFY Global Solutions presents a free 3-hour student development seminar available on campus or online for up to 100 undergraduate and postgraduate students. This practical, interactive seminar introduces students to the future of work, emerging careers, and AI literacy. We also cover responsible AI, prompt engineering, and powerful AI tools for learning and productivity. Students will also strengthen essential employability skills, including communication, critical thinking, and personal branding. They'll master resume building, elevator pitches, and interview readiness through career exercises. Through live demonstrations, practical activities, and interactive Q&A, students gain confidence and direction. Every participant receives valuable learning resources and a digital participation certificate. This seminar can also become the first step towards SAGIFY's comprehensive 50-hour student development program. Prepare your students to discover, develop, and deliver. Book your free seminar today. Visit www.sagifyer.com, email contact@sagifyer.com, or call +918 668 473510 or +919 52 9886 157. SAGIFY, empowering students for an AI-ready career.